Okay. Lace. Weird. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be installing a wig from CurlyMe Hair. So today I'll be installing my hair a different type of way, and it's the way Arrogante installs his. So first I wiped off the makeup and dirt from my edges using alcohol. And I'm just gonna cut the ear tabs of my cap off just to make sure the cap stays in place. If you have not tried this glue out, you have been missing out. This is the best glue that I have tried. So I'm applying the glue around my cap like how he did. And when I saw him do that, I'm like, wow, that is a smart idea, honestly. But I saw a girl do this like a long time ago on Instagram, and everybody was all under her comments coming for her like, you're not supposed to do this like that, blah blah blah. And I'm like, I bet they feel dumb now that Arrogante, a whole celebrity, does that. But anyways, that's not none of my business. And I applied 2 layers of this glue. So right now I'm just applying makeup on the edges so it can blend better. And y'all, I was so hyped that I used shears to cut this. Like, it cut so good. It is so good to have a good cut to your ball cap, because it will make it so much easier when it lay. It will look so much better when you put your wig on. This is what happens when you try to apply a wig at 4 a.m. I have honestly forgot what I was doing. So I'm just wiping the alcohol around my edges again to make sure there's no leftover glue. And I also forgot to say that I bleached the back of this wig blonde. I also plucked it too. Y'all, I was honestly hyped this whole video. Like, I'm like, this wig is really just sitting here bobbing. But for real, I did do a great job cutting this to a blunt cut. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut my ear tabs off. What I was actually really doing in a video versus what I really wanted to do. Anyways. So he cut off a little bit extra of the lace before actually cutting the whole lace first. And I'm just spraying this spray tan stuff for my middle part because the wig was more whitish instead of my skin complexion. So instead of applying the glue fully around my edges, I'm going to apply only on half of each side. I'm going to apply this half and then I'm going to dry it. I think I applied about 2 layers of it and then I dried it. So right here is when I noticed the wig is a little bit uneven, so I just went ahead and cut some of it off. Now this is the part that really got me when he did the baby hairs, because we really was out here having crusty, shiny edges. The way he did it, it made it look dry and very natural. But also, it was the way people did it to their natural hair too. So I was like, he is really smart. So what he did was hot comb the hair back and the baby hair part forward, so it can lay forward. I really like this nutrient stick because it don't leave my hair too shiny. Like, it's very natural looking. After he hot combed those baby hairs forward, he then curled it with a flat iron. I was shooketh. So I sprayed my spoolie with Got to Be spray. Yes, that lay was just immaculate. That looks very professional. Like, I'm looking like I came out of the salon with this install. I really had to hype myself up with this one because this was the best install that I ever did. Thanks to Arrogante. So I just parted my side part because I didn't know which one I was going to do. I think I like the middle part better because I really don't ever do middle parts. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe so you can have your bob bobbing like me.